time when temperature in the national capital is going up to 49 or 50 degrees Celsius, and at a time when Water Minister of Delhi has announced that Delhi is facing shortage of water, and that's the reason why areas in the national capital will receive a reduced water supply. This is the ground condition. This is Vivekanand camp of NDMC area, where you are seeing these plastic buckets and containers lined up for water tanker. In fact, people have been saying that they are facing this issue for last so many months, and at a time when minister is saying that they are sure that this problem will further increase. I'll try to talk to these people as well as to what is their problem, and when this announcement is concerned that Delhi is facing shortage of water, what is the kind of impact that they are expecting? Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम सुभाष चंद्र है।
सुभाष जी, अभी गर्मी तो बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ रही है, हमारी आपसे बात भी हो रही थी। आप कह रहे हैं कि लगातार कई महीनों से समस्या आ भी रही है। दिल्ली के जो मंत्री हैं आतिशी, वो कह रही हैं कि पानी की सप्लाई और कम होने वाली है। क्या कुछ है अभी की कंडीशन?
अगर ये चाहते हैं ना कि अगर आप यहाँ दिल्ली से झुग्गी झोपड़ियाँ छोड़ के चले जाओ तो हम छोड़ के भी चले जाएंगे, मगर इतनी प्रॉब्लम जनता सही कहाँ से? क्या करेंगे हम? अगर हमारे पास गांव में रोजगार हो तो यहाँ क्यों आए? अपने घर पे भी रह सकते। अगर हमारे पास जमीन जायदाद हो तो अपने घर पे नहीं अपने बच्चों को रख सकते।
अच्छा, यहाँ क्या कंडीशन है? कितने बजे पानी का टैंकर आता है?
यहाँ का कोई भाई साहब टाइम टेबल नहीं है। पहले 2 टैंकर आते थे, टंकी भी भरी जाती थी। अब 1 टैंकर आता है, वो भी गंदा पानी आता है। जबकि मैं तो मोमडन हूँ नहीं, यहाँ मोमडन है। ये लोग इनका जब रोजा चल रहा था उस टाइम पे भी गंदा पानी आ रहा था। टैंकर वाले ड्राइवर ने खुद कह दिया था कि साफ पानी पीना है तो दुकान से खरीद के लाओ, जैसा आएगा वैसा पीना पड़ेगा।
आप कह रहे हैं कि सरकार आपको पानी मुहैया नहीं करा पा रही है?
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल हमारी कोई सुविधा नहीं हो रही है।
अच्छा, और अभी जो जिस हिसाब से अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है कि पानी की कमी और हो सकती है, उससे कहीं ना कहीं डर है? मैं देख रहा हूँ कि आज ज़्यादा बर्तन भी...
डर क्या है? सारा ही डर है। बच्चे बीमार पड़ेंगे, हम कहाँ से पानी लेके आएंगे? अगर इतना ही कमाते तो अपने घर पे रहते, गांव में रहते, यहाँ क्यों कमाने खाने आते?
कितने बजे टैंकर आएगा अभी?
कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं है भाई साहब। 12 अब तुम्हारे सामने बैठे हुए हैं, कोई टाइम नहीं है। 3 बजे भी आ जाए, 4 बजे भी आ जाए।
और कितने घर हैं उस एक टैंकर पे, अगर बता पाएं?
कम से कम 600-700 आदमियों की फैमिली है। अब वो क्या करेंगे? कहाँ से पानी लेके आएंगे? यहाँ पे एक मोटर थी, मोटर लगवाई थी यहाँ पे, वो एनडीएमसी वाले उस मोटर को सही भी करवा सकते थे। उन पाइपों को भी उखाड़ के ले गए, मोटर भी उखाड़ के ले गए।
और यहाँ जो अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो यहाँ एक टंकी भी बनी हुई है जिसमें टैंकर पानी डालते हैं?
बिल्कुल जी, टंकी एक बनी हुई है, 2 टंकी रखी हुई है 10-10 हज़ार लीटर की। कम से कम साल भर से उनमें पानी नहीं पड़ रहा है।
अच्छा,
बताइए हम क्या करें?
all right, I'll try to talk to some women as well as to what is the kind of problem and the issues that they are facing. मैडम, आपका नाम क्या है?
जस्मीन।
जस्मीन जी, एक बार पानी आ रहा है अभी हमें बताया गया, और मंत्री जी कह रही हैं कि ये और कम हो सकता है क्योंकि दिल्ली में पानी की कमी हो रखी है।
अगर यहाँ जो पानी का अगर टैंक नहीं आएगा तो हम लोग को तो मरना ही है, क्योंकि एक ही टाइम पानी आता है पीने। उधर जाएंगे तो उधर तो भरने नहीं देगा, भगा देगा, बोलेगा ये कबाड़ी लोग आते हैं इसको भरने नहीं देंगे, तो हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे पानी भरने के लिए?
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज़ और बताइए, अभी लोकसभा चुनाव बिल्कुल अभी इलेक्शन गया है, नेता आए थे वोट मांगने?
इधर तो नहीं है।
इधर नेता भी नहीं आए वोट मांगने? हाँ, इधर इधर जरा आ जाएंगे। हाँ।
वोट मांगने सब आते हैं, बस इलेक्शन के टाइम में दिखता है सब। इलेक्शन निकल गया तो बस सब भूल गया। क्योंकि एक बार ऐसे आया था इसी जगह में, बोल रहे थे मैम हमें वोट दो, हमें खड़ा करो तो हम घर घर पानी पहुंचाएंगे। मैंने भैया आज शकल दिख रहा है, फिर इलेक्शन जीत जाओ शकल नहीं दिखेगा, हमें रोड पे भी नहीं पानी मिलेगा। घर की बात तो दूर की बात है, वैसा ही हो रहा है। रोड पे नहीं पानी मिल रहा है, पाइपलाइन खुदा नहीं गया, चारों तरफ बिछ गया है, क्योंकि यहाँ इस साइड पे ज्यादा कवारी रहता है, बंगाली रहता है, इसलिए। और
आप कह रहे हैं कि पानी की लाइन पड़ गई है लेकिन उसमें अभी पानी नहीं है?
पानी की लाइन पड़ गई बीच बीच में, जहाँ बंगाली रहता है उधर खुदाई भी नहीं हुआ, पाइपलाइन तो बिछने की दूर की बात है, खुदाई तलक नहीं हुआ। ये हमारे साथ भेदभाव हुआ है।
तो आप जो कहें कि सोमनाथ भारती यहाँ से लड़ रहे थे, वो यहाँ आए थे, उनसे बोला था ये बात आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता?
नहीं, हम सबसे बोला, मैंने खुद विधायक के पास 8-10 लेडीज लेके विधायक के पास गई, तो कह रहा ठीक है तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा। फिर आया, जिस दिन गया दूसरे दिन टैंकर में पानी डाल के गया। मैंने बोला भैया टैंकी थोड़ा गंदा है तो टैंकी साफ करवा दो। उसके बाद आया नहीं, मैंने विधायक को फोन लगाया, अरविंद केजरीवाल की वहाँ पे फोन लगाया, फोन नंबर दिया था मुझे, तो कह रहा है क्या कहता है तुम्हारा पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है, पाइपलाइन खुद जाएगी, 1 महीना इंतजार करो। 1 महीने की चलते चलते अभी 3-4 महीना हो रहा है, पाइपलाइन का खुदाई नहीं हुआ, ना टैंकी में पानी आया था। हमने बोला 2 टैंकर डलवा दो, क्योंकि अभी गर्मी की लहर चल रहा था, हमें 2 टैंकर पानी दे दो, एक सुबह दे दो, एक शाम को दे दो। तो एक ही टैंकर पानी आ रहा है, उसमें भी गंदा पानी आ रहा है। टैंकर वालों को बोल रहे हैं भाई गंदा पानी क्यों ला रहे, तो उल्टा सीधा हम लोगों को गाली दे रहा है, वो सुन ही नहीं रहा है।
All right. So there are a number of issues related to water in the national capital. One, that they don't have any water pipeline to get water supply. Then they are being provided water with water tankers, but they are alleging that water tanker is either not coming on time, and if it is coming on time, that then that water is not giving them fresh water. This is the kind of condition that we are witnessing today, where in fact you are seeing these plastic containers. Because they people have been waiting for water tanker. They are saying that at around 1 p.m. it is expected that that water tanker will come. But at a time when an announcement has been made that Delhi is facing shortage of water, then what will be the condition here at places like such where people are already facing issues related to water supply? Joining me now is the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Somnath Bharti, who is a candidate from New Delhi constituency and who used to be the vice chairperson of Delhi Jal Board, but because of the election he resigned from that particular post. So first of all, my question, BJP is alleging that Aam Aadmi Party did not plan anything for summers in Delhi, and that's the reason why now Delhiites are going to face the water problem that in fact your water minister Atishi yesterday mentioned.
No, see, Delhi has this concern every year after year in the summer. And I would tell you that it was very, sort of deep planning for Honorable Kejriwal ji. That today we are generating over 1,000 MGD. It is to be below 900. So this additional generation of water, because of various plans we have through STPs, through conversion, through etc. etc. So I think, had it not been planned by Honorable Kejriwal ji and the water minister in my government, situation would have been worse. But the problem lies in, and as an MP candidate, I'm telling you, that basic problem lies in the 1993 agreement. That agreement among 5 states, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Haryana, that agreement has not been revisited since 93. So what allocation was made to Delhi from Yamuna ji and Ganga ji, that has not been changed. So the population has gone up, let's say, by 10 folds. And the water allocation has gone down. In fact, Haryana doesn't release even what has been allocated to Delhi. So that's what we have been saying. So original quota assigned to Delhi has also to go up proportionally. And that as an MP, I'm promising to Delhi, as an MP candidate whenever I get elected as an MP. So that will be my major challenge and major task in the parliament, to ensure that Delhi gets its quota increased in proportion to the population it serves. And then whatever has been assigned, Haryana curtails that also. So my humble submission to Haryana government and UP government is that let us not do any politics on water. Because people need water, and water comes from Ganga ji and Yamuna ji, Haryana and UP. So they have to keep giving, if not more, then not less also.
So what BJP is saying essentially is that, every year in the end of the March month, you people generally carry out this sort of meeting, summer action plan meeting. And in that meeting, not just water, but issues like electricity and all the kind of problems that Delhi would be facing in summers are generally planned accordingly. BJP is saying that, okay, we are considering that suppose Haryana is curtailing the water as per your allegations, then what about additional planning for that particular thing as well? Because if we say March, then why it was not in fact planned in March that Delhi can get additional water? If you think that, it is going to be curtailed, then why it was not planned that we should get some additional water from somewhere else, or why it was not highlighted earlier?
See, BJP is very interesting. The way they react to things. It's like chit bhi meri, pat bhi meri. I, as a vice chairman, I was party to all these discussions. When Honorable Kejriwal ji had planned this massive plan, if you recall, that Delhi ko banayenge jheelon ka shahar. So what was the plan? Plan was, because Delhi doesn't have its own source of water. So the plan was the STP outfall, the secondary outfall, will first go to lakes, artificial lakes. That will recharge the groundwater. And from there, we will extract water through tube wells. And then we process it through ROs.
That's a
and
long-term planning.
Listen to me. And then this will come back to our system. This was all going on. Had LG not stopped this planning, we would have had additional water at least 250 MGD. Okay. But go and ask, I'm challenging you. Go and ask BJP's LG that why did you stop this plan? So, as an elected government, Honorable Kejriwal ji has all the rights to execute his vision on the ground. But then you use your officers to scuttle our plan. So this vision of Honorable Kejriwal ji, which was there in being executed, funds were stopped, funds were not given, tenders were not floated. Okay, so n number of things were there. So BJP is doing this, accusing also and stopping also. So when they accuse, you must go and find out from within that did you stop the vision implementation of Mr. Kejriwal or not?
Okay. So coming
This additional source of water which we planned. In fact, see, there are RRR, reuse, so recycle and the 3 R's which we have. The consumer also will have to pitch in. Unless and until, let's say, the potable water, as in VC had given this vision in Delhi Jal Board, that we must adopt a lifestyle wherein except potable water, we must use recycled water across, let's say in toilet. So the flush water, if it is the recycled water or if it is, let's say, getting me? So this will be much, if you go to Commonwealth Games flats, so they have laid dual pipes. So one pipe is for the potable water and one pipe is from the STP which is going there to every house. So we have to have such planning across Delhi now. And unless we do that, things won't be easy for us. And of course, as an MP, if at all I get elected as an MP, my duty towards Delhi would be to fight for seeking increase in the allotted water to Delhi from Gangaji and Amnaji both.
Last question, sir. 674.5, if I'm not wrong, is the minimum level that is required in Wazirabad, at Wazirabad. We are learning that since May 1st, it is declining. And yesterday, your water minister also said that because it is declining, we are facing shortage of water. That's the reason why we'll have to curtail the water supply. For example, if any area of South Delhi is getting water twice a day, then the area will receive water once. Now, coming back to DJB, since you were a part of DJB, what are the kind of steps that you have undertaken? Yes, I know that you people have been alleging this, that we are...
Not alleging, that's truth. It's the truth. See, these are facts.
No, but DJB also said that there are multiple factors. In fact, your officials, there was an official press release on the very first day after these allegations, and in which it was categorically mentioned that there are certain factors on the basis of which this particular level can either increase or decrease.
Unfortunately, because of this, if you recall, after 8 years of struggle, Honorable Supreme Court had given control on Delhi government offices to the elected CM, which BJP again after 8 days, they brought an ordinance and they took that away. So after that, what happens that all the officers, they do what LG asks them to do. So officers don't speak themselves. They're given a task that give this press release. Can you imagine? Can the department speak? Does any department have the guts to speak against the minister? A minister gives one version, everybody has to line up. Okay. So it happens only in Delhi. That minister says something else and department may contradict, which is very unfortunate. And I would say that, the water level in the Wazirabad pond, which has come down now. So Haryana or Uttar Pradesh or any state for that matter, we all need to understand, we cannot do politics on water, on pollution. They don't know boundaries. They don't belong to one state. So if it comes from Uttarakhand, Uttarakhand can't say it belongs to me. It is the public property. It has to be put to use to everybody, all right? And that is what I'm saying, humbly I'm submitting, that rather than playing such tricks, Haryana, UP and Delhi, we all have to sit together and do this exercise so that Delhi doesn't suffer.
So any sort of additional step that may have undertaken by the Delhi Jal Board on the directions by either your water minister or by the government for that matter, in order to see the current demand and proper supply?
See, I said that we have given the appeal to people that be wise while using water, and non-potable usages of water has to be stopped, and possibly in the rare circumstances we will be resorting to one-time supply wherever we have two-time supply, because one-time supply. But we are assuring Delhi, we will not. We are keeping a complete track on what all is happening, and we will ensure that everybody gets adequate water.
All right. Somnath Bharti clearly saying that the government is ensuring proper water supply, but then there is a shortage of water. And as yesterday Atishi said that Haryana is not releasing the adequate share of Delhi, that's the reason why Delhi is facing such problem. Well, at this point in time, temperatures in the national capital is going up to 49 and 50 degrees Celsius, and people in Delhi may face water shortage because of the kind of things that are happening here in the capital city.